Hey Baker fam! Have you ever wondered what makes the butterscotch cake extra special? Well, let me tell you that it's none other than butterscotch sauce. It is one of the most delicious sauce that you can make for yourself. It's creamy and has a really beautiful nutty buttery taste. And the best thing about it is that it only needs a handful of ingredients. Now, if you're someone who loves our recipes, we have curated a 21-day online baking course that will have 14 different recipes, 13 of which are completely eggless, starting on 1st of June. Registration is currently open and link for that is in the description below. So now let's begin with the recipe. Here we have all the ingredients that we need for the recipe. Some butter, fresh cream, brown sugar, salt and some vanilla essence. We are going to add all these into a heavy bottom saucepan. We'll start by adding brown sugar, followed by butter, fresh cream, vanilla essence and salt. So all the ingredients are in, we'll bring it to a boil. Now you might be wondering whether we can use caster sugar or not. Well, as we are making a very classic butterscotch sauce, brown sugar is the key ingredient in the recipe and provides that rich color and taste that we all find super tempting. It can take up to a few minutes to thicken up. So there is a small trick that you can use to check whether the sauce is ready or not. For that, all you have to do is take a spoon and dip the back side into the sauce. And if the sauce sticks to the spoon, then it's done. We'll transfer it to a glass jar. With this, our butterscotch sauce is done. I'll be soon using it to make a classic butterscotch cake. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Apart from cake, you can use it with ice cream, waffles or brownies. Till then, keep baking and follow Truffle Nation for more recipes.